mentang ila idon hakini ka food Sohra International Half Marathon yang sudah sedang mentah bania Maria. Nyak Fin nyak kan? Hah? Nyak Fin nyak. Ready. Ada pak lar kitar kijungan kamera ti mentahan yang mina. Live steng mentah kapor. Tinggal hawan poi stay suasan meje. Kapor anu meje mentah. Nice of home. Sedang menmi mentah. Long ini lepas benda cerita seseorang bertitik-titik nomor mare. Gila idan mentah ni starting point. Beri apa? Basah. Ada pedres ya. Asli amalan. Wah. Gila bentar siapa yang Nak bedang red baik. Turut buat bedang red. Ka sunrise itenan. Jaka basdang ni ka marathon 5 km ke dinam ne. Okay. Jadi 5 km start. Nak berat kibun ba.
Ngau ba burom jing penyak kenang bakanam dia kana ono besngau si kibailam kon dabak ya ki kon kibom don kupon ro hin yo ka ba manam ting bon ko ting am yo ba ka ba ko bon ba har belai ma bela yo asin asil tingi don hang ne ro isa walat mi sela minister sport tribe thamai de ba najwai MLA jingi ba Gavin pitolot kita kadang saula kita lang bangi kita amare lang andai you have like that satu tu mo the and we have Americom Pito Americom ide shout what is it boxer Olympian world champion everything okay she's here so right now I'll ask sir Sports Minister to give just a few words of encouragement.
At the very outset, I'm so happy to stand here to flag off this 4th Sohra International Marathon. I'd like to congratulate the department, the Meghalaya Sport Olympic Association, all the district administration, the SDO from Sohra, and to each and everyone. All the volunteers, participants, we are so excited to be here, and this is the initiative of the government to link sport with tourism. So because of this kind of initiative, now Boston, Berlin, even Mumbai Marathon has become in the map of the world. So this is our effort, and I'm confident that in the near future, even Sohra Marathon also will be in the world map. So once again, and I'm so delighted to welcome our very own champion of the country, of the world, MC Maricom. Let's give a round of applause as a token of welcome to her. Thank you so much for taking the initiative to come all the way here to encourage our runner. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate to...
Are you ready? Come on, let's hear you shout. Are you ready? Let's hear you say 10, 9, 8. Come on, shout louder. 3, 2, the fourth Sohra International Marathon.
Thank you for playing.
Ito na kini ka food Sohra International Half Marathon. Naksiyas lang mandaban niya Maria. Kiwi-kiwi gila yung Maria sakat. Sige lang ya siya jay ay la siya. Imat lang yung Maria ngin session pass it ma. Asam na si Maria. Maria tanggung tur lah itu. Kibri bam jumlin Maria aswan Maria direct ke marathon. Kibri itu kilit praktis sama. Diom sanjat. Iya, jika diom sanjat. Cah. Tak sampai, mari. Tak sampai finish line. Lapoi. Okay.